Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to remove Meta AI from WhatsApp. So let's get into the video. Open up your WhatsApp, and then when you get to your WhatsApp, click on these three dots here on your top right, and then go to your settings option here. Alright, so once you get to your settings option here, so scroll down and you will see this chat option here. So simply select the chat option, and when you get to the chat option, under the chat settings, next to the font size below, you will see an option called Meta AI button. So simply what you have to do is toggle that switch to turn off if you have the Meta AI already turned on. Please note that this option is not available for everyone in every country. Like for example, it's not available in my country or in my location, so I don't have that option. But if it's available in your country or in your location, wherever you are, then you should see an option next to the font size which says Meta AI button. So simply you just need to toggle that button on or off just to turn that off. So just simply toggle that off, and that will remove it from your WhatsApp, and that's pretty much it. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.